you're sometimes so afraid to put yourself out there, to be your most raw, authentic self.
I'm very happy that she will be able to show her followers, those who idolize her, what really goes behind the camera. Because mostly we see the very glamorous heart, the style icon, the global icon, but those who are inspired by her story will understand the hard work and the talent that is required.
It's something that I want to be very educational. Di lang siya yung parang entertainment.
So, you know, it's real.
Kulang ka lang